Looking for the best cordless angle grinder without wasting money on the wrong one? In this ranking, we're going from the weakest pick to the one that stands out as the best overall buy. Starting off in last place, we have the Tino. This is the kind of tool that looks tempting because the numbers sound exciting, and the compact size makes it feel easy to live with. But in this ranking, it lands at the bottom because it plays in a different lane from the others, and not in a good way for most people. On paper, this little grinder gives you a 3-inch wheel, a 16.8-volt setup, and a very high no-load speed. That sounds fast, and for light trimming, quick touch-ups, and tight space work, that can absolutely be useful. It is also commonly sold as a kit, which means you may get batteries and accessories right in the box, and that is something buyers on a budget always notice. The problem is that it is still a mini grinder in a comparison filled with more capable full-size tools. A 3-inch wheel is simply not as flexible as a standard 4.5-inch grinder when you want one tool to do a little bit of everything. On top of that, there is much less trustworthy model-specific documentation out there for this one, which makes it harder to rank with confidence next to established brands. So who is this for? I would say it makes the most sense for someone who wants a small secondary tool for quick, light jobs, not a main grinder for serious cutting and grinding. And by the way, links to all products in this review at the best price are in the description under the video. Next up is the AOBEN, and this one is a bit more interesting because it steps into the standard 4.5-inch class. That already makes it more practical than the Tino for most buyers, and it climbs one spot higher because it looks more like a true everyday angle grinder rather than a niche mini tool. Feature-wise, the AOBEN actually sounds pretty strong. You get a brushless motor, a stated top speed of 9,500 revolutions per minute, and even 3 adjustable speed settings. Some listings also include 2 4.0 ampere-hour batteries and a charger, which can make the package look very attractive compared with bare tool options from bigger brands. If you are shopping with a tight budget, this kind of bundle can feel like a shortcut to getting started right away. But here is where it starts to lose ground. The exact model documentation is still not as strong as what you get from the more established names, and that matters more than many people think. When you buy an angle grinder, you are not just buying a speed number. You are also buying trust in the battery platform, parts support, consistency, and long-term durability. That is where this one feels a step behind the major brands in the lineup. This is the kind of option I would point to for a casual buyer who wants a full-size cordless grinder with a battery kit included and does not want to spend premium brand money. If you're enjoying this ranking so far, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel. Moving into the middle of the ranking, we get to the Craftsman. This is where things start to feel much safer and more predictable from a buying standpoint. It is not flashy, and it is not packed with premium extras, but it is a recognizable full-size tool from a major brand with clearly published specs and a straightforward purpose. The Craftsman gives you a 4.5-inch wheel, 8,500 revolutions per minute, a tool-free guard, and a 3-position handle on the V20 battery platform. That makes it a practical grinder for common home shop work, general metal cleanup, cutting small stock, and everyday repair tasks. I also like that the design keeps things simple. Sometimes a tool does not need to be the fastest one in the room. It just needs to be easy to grab and easy to trust, and that is exactly the lane this one occupies. Where it starts to trail the leaders is the motor and the feature set. This is a brushed grinder, and at this level that feels more basic when Makita and DEWALT are giving you brushless designs. Some users also mention that battery life can feel limited with smaller packs, and that is worth thinking about if you already own only compact batteries. Compared with the top 2 tools in this list, this one feels more value-focused than performance-focused. I would recommend the Craftsman to DIY users, homeowners, and anyone already invested in the V20 system who wants a dependable grinder without stretching the budget too far. It is a sensible pick, but the next 2 options feel more polished and more professional overall. Now we are getting into the serious contenders, and in second place we have the Makita. This is one of those tools that feels like it was built by people who really understand what makes a grinder enjoyable to use. It does not need flashy marketing because the overall package speaks for itself. The Makita gives you a brushless motor, support for both 4.5-inch and 5-inch wheels, and automatic speed change technology that adjusts speed and torque while you work. That matters because a grinder is not just about the headline speed number. It is about how well it keeps cutting when the material starts to fight back. The Makita also has a strong reputation in third-party reviews where it gets praised for balance, comfort, and overall job site feel. In my experience, that kind of polish is what separates a good tool from one you actually enjoy using over and over again. The reason it stops just short of first place is not because it lacks quality. It is because the DEWALT comes in with a more aggressive safety package and a slightly higher no-load speed. Makita is still a fantastic choice, but when two tools are this close, little differences start to matter. Also, like several tools here, this is a bare tool, so the value depends a lot on whether you are already on the Makita battery platform. This is the one I would recommend to buyers who want a refined, proven pro-style grinder, and especially to anyone already using Makita 18-volt batteries. But if you want the tool that edges ahead as the best overall pick, the final spot belongs to one more grinder. Taking the top spot is the DEWALT. This is the grinder that feels the most complete when you step back and look at the whole picture. It is fast, it is brushless, and more importantly, it is built around features that make the tool easier and safer to control when the work gets real. The DEWALT combines a 4.5-inch wheel with a 9,000 revolutions per minute brushless setup, and then adds a brake that stops the wheel in about 2 seconds or less, a kickback brake, and E-switch protection. That is a very strong list for a cordless grinder in this class. The paddle switch layout also gives it a more professional feel for many users, especially if you prefer a setup that feels natural when you are moving between cuts, grinding, and repositioning. Compared with the others here, this one does the best job of blending strong performance with strong protection. Its main weakness is simple. It is not the cheapest route into cordless grinding, and like the Makita and Craftsman, this version is sold as a bare tool. If you are starting from zero, that extra battery cost can sting. It also does not have Makita's 5-inch flexibility in this exact model. Still, when I look at safety, output, brand support, and overall confidence, this is the one that gives me the least to worry about. So who should buy it? Anyone who wants the strongest all-around pick in this lineup, especially if they already own DEWALT 20-volt batteries. It is the tool here that feels most ready for demanding repeat-use work without drifting into overkill. Check out the top products using the links in the description under the video. And if this ranking helped you narrow down the right cordless angle grinder, like the video and subscribe to the channel for more reviews.